says hiking can be fun.
Yes, especially with us since we are stupid.
Let's go!
We are Joriën and Sandra, and last summer we took a road trip through Europe and got hooked on van life. So we are going for an evening walk, and every time we do an evening walk, all of a sudden we are off the tracks because there's a shortcut. And now we are kind of lost. Right?
Is that way?
Yes, I would say that.
Hurry up, it's getting dark.
Yeah, I know.
That's no nice.
No, I'm not nice.
No yelling on YouTube.
Sorry.
Good.
Okay, so we're going for a walk. Right. Going through the trees. That's best. Really, never get married. Never get married. Not even get a boyfriend. Get a girlfriend.
Here's a path.
No, there's not.
You just have to walk to the moon. The moon. The moon is always north.
Where are you? I can see you. Okay, so we know we are on the right track because there have been humans here.
Oh no, I have no plastic bag with me.
They've been eaten. I see civilization.
Yes.
I see a road. And it's not thanks of you. Not that you think it. No. You are stupid.
Thank you.
That wasn't a compliment.
Not?
No.
We lost Fudge.
Good morning. So we are going for a morning walk, and guess what? We follow the path. This is a path, Joriën says. Well, let me show you. It's not. But hey, we managed yesterday, so oh!
We survived.
I almost fell, you idiot.
You really can't film.
Never get married. I want a divorce.
Tree trunk.
Thank you.
No.
Oh, idiot.
So we're having a little bit of a discussion. When we arrive in a place, what do we do first? Sandra wants to,
Go for a hike.
and I want to drink a rosé. Dat is de klap van.
Joriën is always saying that I talk too much, but when we are on a hike,
Look, a frog!
he's always like, look a frog, frog, look a tree, look at this tree, it's blossoming, look at this puddle, look at, oh, look, there's a dog,
Look, I see a pig!
look, he's such a, and then he says that
Biggie. Made it. Ooh, that's so nice.
no, you are no nice. Joriën is an idiot, you know that? And I'm an idiot too. I've got mandarin in my eye.
I didn't know you speak Mandarin. Hang, hang, hang.
I see Mandarin.
So, if you like this video, you know what to do. Please subscribe and we see you next time.
And don't forget the thumbs up.
And the bloopers. We have a lot of bloopers.
Yes.
Bye.